4, boy. Tree boy, I go for his boy. Forget about boy, baby boy.
You got it, boy. You got it, big boy.
Well, you could be side decking, but you didn't make one, did you?
Not right now. I'm just first I gotta get the deck the way I want it, but I'm missing cards though. So. All right, final round. Sweet. That's kind of useless.
So bad to keep this. I can't possibly keep this in.
I'm gonna keep mine.
There's no way. Oh, wish that was in my hand. That would have been so much better.
Yeah.
That was in the bottom of the deck. Watch my video 2 times. It's up. Ulti kill.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah, he's taking his
You're
time.
not kidding. Oh, okay. Give me the sand hand, boy. Mulligan. Yo.
My hand is weak as hell.
Yo. No, I'm just not getting a hand.
No, I mean my hand is weak as hell. I have a better play obviously than you because I have something to play.
No, I don't know. No. You could always search for her.
Yeah. It's like I run 4 in the deck. And that's it.
You do not like me. I have to keep. My turn.
Oh shit, draw. Okay guys, yeah, my hand is kind of weak, like I said. Swing out.
You fucking me up.
With a Severo, yep, go.
Draw.
Beer. Sip beer.
My turn.
Oh shit, yeah, you ain't kidding. Activate surprise ability, any response?
I have no idea what that is.
It's a surprise.
No, you have to tell me.
It's a surprise ability.
Don't make me read it.
Guys, isn't it a surprise ability?
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna play. Cadden. Freaking, I'm sorry, Karen, but you just suck, okay? Just letting you know right now off the rip. You suck. 2 teams. Activate my surprise. I hope my surprise is worth surprising people. Surprise immediately. That's
my turn?
Yeah.
Control. Hina.
That was a mean move.
Toby.
Guys, that was mean.
Discard. It's my turn too, right?
Yep.
Reveal?
Yeah, you got it.
Fine.
The fuck?
That's a broken.
He always does that. You guys see that? KNS ripped soccer as these.
That's a broken, B. I'm sorry, you think, you know. I had difficult choices, trust me.
That was easy. A soccer D for soccer.
It was not easy, bro. It was not easy, bro. Charge.
Yep.
Swing out 1, 2.
Give you Uno.
Okay.
Mago?
Base the BNS, baby.
I'm not blocking. That's what mine is. Alright, draw. Activate.
You got it.
Okay.
You got it, man.
Coolio.
That's broken.
That's broken. No more mission. That's broken. I'm tired of this. That's broken.
And I feel it. I know when I am when I'm fucking scratching.
Charge 1.
More into organization. I'm gonna calm string.
Okay. You gotta first put it in.
Oh, yeah, you know what I mean. Fuck.
Yeah, that's fine.
Give you 2.
Activate.
Sure.
Karen will be the user.
Sure. Discard 2 of my chakra.
Yeah. I'll discard your double win.
Okay. My turn.
Not yet. I gotta get 2 of my chakra back. And I'll take my turn. Yeah, go.
Wow. I should have put to the chakra. Does this have ambush or what? You need that invasion of the Akatsuki. My turn.
Go.
Draw. Nishika's decision. Cool.
You go on to it. You got it.
I'm gonna. This is in my hand. I'm gonna draw for that. Heal. Organize.
Yeah.
During your mission phase. Send that one too.
How much chakra you have?
Huh?
How much chakra you have?
I have 4.
Son, you're gonna get raped.
Huh?
You only have 4. You only have 1 response in a chain. That's not good for you. 7 up, 7 up, 7 up.
Yo, you got that striking shadows thing. You fucking.
I don't need
Yeah.
striking.
Yeah.
I run other jutsus, bro.
You gangsta, bro.
I block. That was a weird play from you.
Was it?
Yeah. You already saw some of the stuff that I run.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Bro!
But you know something? It's all good. It's all good. It's
Oh
all
my
good.
god.
It's all good. Fuck it. Fuck it. This is why I'm bad. I'll pedals. Should I play one of? No, I can't do that. Ooh, about to play myself, son. Tayuya.
Target Tayuya?
Yeah, of course.
Your results.
Okay.
Anything else?
Nah.
Micah?
Yeah.
Draw.
No, at the end of the turn I'm drawing. Now you're good.
Oh.
This is gone.
Yeah. Any response?
I have no idea what the fuck that does, so wait. Look kind of broken. Go ahead.
Okay.
3 cards, right?
Yeah.
Do I get to see them, or you just
No.
get to see them?
I only get to see them.
Where's your hand at?
This was my hand. That was from the top. Oh. I have 2 cards. That's all.
I see 3 Sasuke's in your chakra. I'm just kidding. There are 3 Sasuke's there though, but
Yeah. Okay. This is gonna be pretty crazy, I guess. Charge.
what are you picking up during your mission phase if you have no cards in your hand? Oh, well, you have 1 card in your hand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna exit.
Sure.
Swing 2 teams.
Wait. You said you're gonna exit.
Yeah.
Sure. I that's gonna happen, but just give me 1 second because I'm thinking about shit now. You're sending out, so let me think how I'm gonna respond. You're gonna fucking use that shit. You're gonna discard 2. You're gonna have no cards in my hand. Wait, does that chain? No, you can chain off your own shit, can't you?
Of course.
If I have no responsorino.
No response to Reno.
Them 2 cards from your side. Wait. All right, let's block your Sabiru in case you do fucking have pedals.
Okay.
That's the I don't know what your deck does. That's obviously the right play.
Okay,
So
guys.
I'll block your Sabiru.
All
Let's
right,
see what
he
happens.
blocks Subaru just like this.
Yeah,
All
I
right.
have to.
I have priority. During the exchange, I am going to activate the mystery card that we all been waiting for.
Water or barrier,
Embrace.
infinite embrace. Yeah,
Which he called it. He did call that before. I'm going to pay a 1, a 2, a 3. And I'm going to target your Canessa.
Canessa kun.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Canessa.
Yeah.
Okay, Canessa kun. And that will go back to my
Your hand.
Okay, I see.
CCC.
Charge in?
I got no man.
Okay, I mean, I have no response for that.
Okay. Chakra.
Ooh, baby, lightning chakra.
Oh, secret attack. His secret attack.
Bigga banga!
Sabiru's gonna go for a Shinari!
What's this do? You injure the target?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Sabiru's gone broken.
Sabiru's gone broken. Sabiru gone wild.
My best bet was to not block at all.
Yeah.
Kind of.
Kind of, sort of. And I'll take you down with me.
That's fine.
And I'll take one.
Yeah!
Damn. The field
My
just
turn?
left by an injured Sabiru.
My turn?
Go.
Girl, okay. Oh, that's game. This game?
Oh, it's game?
No.
Oh, shit. I'm like, damn, he's about to take 9 from me.
You
It's
gonna
game.
learn today.
It's game.
He gonna
I'm
learn
gonna
today.
learn today. You're about to take 9.
You won?
I wish that was the other Karen, guys. Damn, I'm about to learn today.
You gonna learn today. You gonna day to learn.
I'm gonna date. I'm gonna date to learn.
That's fine. 2 teams. I'm gonna pick up. Ew, this one's ugly. I'm gonna pick up this one. Is it too late? Can I not take it back?
You're good. You saw that guy swapping cards. You take 4 beers.
Certainly, dog.
A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Michael,
Yeah.
a draw.
Not Earth Dome.
Oh, this would have been fucking sexy if I actually had that other card. I play a Sosuke. A Sosuke Uchiha. Activate. A Sosuke Uchiha.
You got it.
Uchiha Sosuke.
What the fuck are you putting in there?
Uchiha Sosuke.
A striking a shadow snake. I'm gonna call time procedures while I have 7 BRs.
That's hilarious.
I'm just kidding. Oh, who is that? Who that motherfucker? Or that? Oh, who shit? Who is this shit? Oh, I never seen that.
Give me my who.
Since you have 2 or less cards in your hand, oh shit, you can discard 3 water cards. In that case, again, discard will just be.
Oh,
That's
holy
kind of
shit.
good. That's kind of really. Does that have an ambush?
Yes, holy shit.
Oh
Holy
shit, that's actually
shit.
really good.
Charge. Activate. Cutting.
Wait, so hold on 1 second.
Cutting.
You're activating carrier into what?
Activate her effect. I have no hand.
Yeah.
Cutting.
And then?
I can pick up a jutsu or a ninja.
Oh shit. Okay. Yeah.
Cutting.
Okay, you're gonna from your discard or from your
Chakra.
okay. At least I get to see which one it is. Okay, go ahead. Oh, but of course.
Just swing out Sosuke.
I'll block.
Okay. I gotta make you waste that shit, Tori. Actor. I'll pay Uno.
Go
He
ahead.
has a secret style Earth Jutsu. Activate Striking Shadow State. Pay 1. Pay 2. Pay 3.
Want the result?
Okay. So wait, no, you can't do that.
Why?
You can't do that yet.
What? Okay, so go ahead.
That resolves. You take an injury
Mm-hmm.
because of striking. All right. Now my Earth Dome resolves. I get to ping 2 of your chakra,
Oh wait, really? Oh shit.
and I'll leave the Shidori there, and ping these.
Oh, I forgot you can do that. I
And
forgot
then
about that.
I get up to 2.
Okay, this dies. Whatever.
Oh,
My turn.
Wait 1 second. I gotta take that to a chakra.
Damn,
Take 1
bro.
and take a 2.
Forgot about that. My turn.
And yes.
No, actually.
No.
my turn.
That you
Okay.
draw that.
Damn, bro, this is so corny.
Is he cool?
Yeah. I'm gonna draft 3. Wow. What will that do me now? Nothing. That sucks. I know I should have taken that card out. It's so useless against your deck. I didn't think about it before I was side decking, obviously. Things rush. You know what I took out my deck to side? I took out the interrupts. No need for your deck.
Well, yeah.
No need against
No,
against
I
your
know,
deck
I
is
know,
no need.
I know.
You're gonna play your negating your effects and other shit. Like it was better for me to put the constraints in.
My deck is more mission negate proof.
Yeah.
This version of it.
I didn't need interrupt. Like your missions, I'm not really scared of.
No.
Hina was the replacement for that because
Hina was actually best case.
the
best case
I'm gonna
scenario.
draw 1 for my draft.
Yeah.
Damn! I can't believe I lost the Disagamo. Oh wait, maybe not actually. What?
Big boy. I think you're gonna lose this. You're gonna make me burn on my chakra, but
Well, burning your chakra is the best thing right now.
no.
Before you bring back the bitch. And it's other shit. You can do so much shit.
Yeah, I have a lot of options.
Send out and pick up.
You picked the Shidori? Okay. I mean, I'm very curious. Am I gonna get hit with some secret style jutsu?
I have to do shit. Nigga, I can't
I'm
not
gonna
block.
get you dose.
You're gonna give me 2?
Yeah, I'm being a pussy on this one.
Okay, smart move.
Yeah, I'm gonna go for him on my turn, Michael.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, that was kind of funny what I just drew, but it doesn't really help me. I don't even need that. I'll play that. I have 3, and not the best case scenario for me, but it's not bad either way. So I'll just go this route because it's not bad either way. I'll play Mr. Akime Mahu,
What's this do?
and I will choose to charge
Okay, that's fine.
Madoku, and now I'll choose to activate Karin. I'll chuck Madoku. Any response?
Nope,
And I'll choose to pick up Earth Dome,
that's perfectly fine.
and I'll choose to swing out all 3 teams.
All 3 teams?
All 3.
Oh damn, you're gonna win 3, aren't you?
Yeah, I plan for game.
Damn it. Oh damn it, son. Okay, you got this.
I got this. Yeah, I got